Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making the easiest prawn pepper fry, and that too with a few ingredients. They are so good to munch on as a starter or even as a side dish. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, I've taken 300 grams of cleaned prawns, and to this let's add some salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give this a good mix until the prawns are well coated. Once mixed, let's keep this aside for 15 minutes to marinate. Now heat a frying pan, and to this let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil over here. You can use any oil of your preference. Now to this let's add 3 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the onions on medium flame until they turn translucent. Okay, so to speed up the process, let's add some salt and then continue to cook the onions. Okay, so once the onions have reached a translucent state, let's add 1.5 tablespoons of minced ginger. And 1 large green chili finely chopped. Now continue to fry them on medium flame until they turn brown. Just be careful not to burn the onions. Right, so you can see that the onions have started to turn brown in color. So I'm going to continue to fry the onions for another 30 seconds. Okay, so the onions are fried enough, so let's add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. You can add or reduce the amount of black pepper powder based on your tolerance to heat. Mix well and continue to cook for another 10 seconds. Now let's add in the marinated prawns. So mix the prawns and the fried onions on medium flame for about 30 seconds. So we are basically stir frying the prawns for about 30 seconds, and once it's mixed, let's cover the frying pan with a lid and cook the prawns for 3 minutes. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes, so let's remove the lid and continue to cook the prawns on medium flame for about a minute or until the water content is fully evaporated. Once the water has evaporated, you'll notice that the onion masala has a nice shine and glaze to it, and also the masala is coating the prawns. That means our prawn pepper fry is ready. So turn off the heat and let the prawn pepper fry rest for 10 to 20 minutes before serving. Try them out guys, they are so good. You can enjoy them as a starter or as a side dish or even as a cocktail snack. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys again with another scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.